Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this crystal black Civic Sport. Now of course it is a 1.5 litre petrol and it does come with full LED headlights, LED daytime running lights and LED fog lights. You also get 4 front parking sensors as standard, and you then get these brilliant 17-inch piano black alloy wheels as standard as well. Walking round to the rear now, I'll go into each and every alloy just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern on each and every one. But walking round to the rear, as you'll notice, you have the dual exit in the middle rear. This does symbolise that it is a 1.5 litre Civic Sport. You've got 4 rear parking sensors and a reversing camera tucked just up there. Moving into the tailgate now, we've got plenty of room in here as well. We've then got this brilliant little pullover privacy shelf which marries up with this parcel shelf here, which does ensure maximum privacy for any belongings in the tailgate. Walking around the car again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we've got full cloth black interior which does go into the front with Isofix mounting points down at the bottom. We've then got full electric windows all round which are also automatic. Jumping inside the car, we've got an electric handbrake with brake hold. The economy button is just here along with the stop start button just there. Then we've got the 6-speed manual gearbox in the middle. We've then got your dual climate control in the front, which can be operated via the touchscreen display just here. We're going into the actual screen itself. As you can see, we have got your satellite navigation. We've also got your various audio sources just here. And then we've then got your Bluetooth hands-free just there. Over to the steering wheel now, we've got your audio controls on the left with your volume, onboard computer control, voice assistant and your Bluetooth hands-free. The arrows here work between the onboard computer and the infotainment system in the middle. On the right hand side, we've got your cruise control, speed limiter, lane keep assist and distance control. We've then got automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this car has done 16,205 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Civic Sport, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.